Hello students, let's start the topic reproductive health of chapter how do organism reproduces of class 10th. What is reproductive health? Reproductive health means a total well-being in all aspects of reproduction, that is physical, emotional, social and behavioral. Okay, so this is the reproductive health. Next is STD, sexually transmitted diseases. Sexually transmitted diseases can be transmitted by sexual contact or sexual transmission, such as by copulation and by any sexual contact. These diseases are of two types: bacterial disease and viral disease. There are two names: gonorrhea and syphilis. These are the bacterial disease, and genital wart, that is the wart, and HIV/AIDS is a viral disease. So, use of condoms can be prevent the transmission of disease. Next topic is the contraception. It is the avoidance of pregnancy and it can be achieved by preventing the fertilization of ovum. You know that contraception are the devices which prevent the fertilization, fusion of gametes. So what are the method of contraception? First is the physical barrier. Physical barrier to prevent union of gamete and sperm. Use of physical barriers are condoms, cervical caps, and diaphragm. So these are physical barriers. Second one is the chemical method. By chemical method, we can also prevent the fertilization of ova by use of oral pills. And these oral pills change hormonal balance of the body so that egg are not released. Oral pills, especially you know that follicle stimulating hormone is secreted from the pituitary gland, which induce the development of ova inside the ovary. So these hormone imbalance change the hormonal balance, and they have side effect also. Next physical barrier, next barrier is IUCD, intrauterine contraceptive devices. These devices, copper T is the example of IUCD. Loop is also example. So these contraceptives are placed in the uterus to prevent the pregnancy. Next is the surgical method by which the fusion of egg and ovaries can be prevented. In males, there was difference, you know that the vast difference through which sperms are transported to the urethra. So vas difference is blocked to prevent sperm transfer. This is called the vasectomy, very important term, vasectomy. And second, in female, fallopian tube is blocked to prevent egg transfer, and this process is called the tubectomy. Fallopian tubes are the tube through which egg are transferred from ovary to the uterus. And in fallopian tube, fertilization fertilization also takes place. So blockage of the fallopian tube prevent the transfer of egg from ovary to the uterus. Next, contraceptive can be female foeticide. This is a chemical. The practice of killing a female child inside the womb is called the foeticide. So foeticides are chemical which kills the female child inside the uterus. It's called the womb is also called uterus. It's called the female foeticide. For a healthy society, a balanced sex ratio is needed that can be achieved by educating the people to avoid malpractices like female foeticide and parental sex determination. So you know that the sex ratio is very important for the population. So in present time, in present time society, people's always like the male child, but the ratio of male and female is very important for the population or for the society. Desire of male child kill the female, and this is called the female foeticide. So parental sex determination is a sex determination is a illegal offense in our country, so as it maintain a balanced sex ratio. Some short questions here. Name the two types of reproduction: asexual and sexual reproduction. What type of reproduction takes place in Plasmodium, that is multiple fission? Define vegetative propagation. Reproduction, asexual reproduction with the help of vegetative part of the plant. It's called the vegetative propagation, where the DNA present in the cell. In eukaryotic cell, DNA is present in nucleus, while in prokaryotic cell, DNA is present in the cytoplasm in direct contact, uh, in, direct, uh, in direct contact with the cytoplasm. Name the gland associated with male reproductive system. Two glands are associated. First one is the prostate gland, and the second one is the seminal vesicle. What is menstruation? You know that in after each 28 days, during the when egg is when uterus is prepared for the attachment of embryo, when fertilization will not take place in that condition, the after 28 days, the wall of uterus shut up and come out in the form of mucus and blood. That is called the menstruation. Name two contraceptive methods: physical method, chemical method. Physical method, that is use of condoms, diaphragm. Chemical method, oral pills, and the IUCD, intrauterine contraceptive device like copper T and loop. Question number 8: where are the reproductive parts located in the plants? In plants, the reproductive parts are located in their flower. That is, male reproductive part is called the endoecium, and the unit of endoecium is called the stamen, and female reproductive part is called the gynoecium. The unit of gynoecium is called the pistil or carpel.